Hey there, it's Julia here from violinspiration.com. So happy you are here today with me again to practice the violin. And today we are going to learn a very exciting song, which is God is a Woman by Ariana Grande. Now, as you've heard, this song can sound really beautiful on the violin, especially if you play it really smooth and connected. But for that you have to use slurs, and that means you have to play several notes on one bow stroke. So instead of bowing back and forth like this, what you want to do is to make it sound smooth and connected. And the easiest way to accomplish this is to play several notes on one bow stroke. So instead of bowing back and forth, do you see how I'm like making down, up? Instead, I'm playing all these notes on one bow stroke. Do you see? My bow's just bowing in one direction, and the only thing I change is my fingers. Also, the rhythm in this song can be pretty challenging, so make sure to practice with my play-alongs to make sure you got the perfect rhythm down. Now, before we get started, you can find the sheet music of this song in the description bar. And now we are going to start with the fast play-along, and after that I'm going to show you the slow play-along. Wish you good luck practicing!